I shot some video back in 1999 when I went to the UK. I'm going to give this footage another chance. Join me for a look back into the last century as I revisit Wales with fresh eyes and better maps. In 1999, when I learned that 500,000 people spoke Welsh, this Celtic language that sounded nothing like English,
Gan bo fi'n dechrau yn yr ysgol fori, o'n i'n meddwl nel ni'r mwyaf o'r diwrnod olaf yrddyt, so fi, t'mod? Settle mewn.
I had to investigate. I found a 3-week course in Lampeter, located a Welsh-speaking bed and breakfast near Lampeter University, and went to Wales to learn some Welsh. Oh boy, was I in for a surprise. It started in London. I began there for a few days before heading to Wales. I walked around the city, had a pint in a pub. You really have to do that. I wandered the metro. I went down to the business district. I took the train out to see a cricket game, got confused, and left. Off to Cardiff. I couldn't wait to begin my linguistic adventure. Cardiff is the capital of Wales and its largest city. Since the 1980s, Cardiff has seen significant development. I went to check out the peacocks at the Castle Green. Just outside of Cardiff Market, there's a walkway where people are buried underneath. And these are the number of people who are below my feet right now. I stayed in this B&B right here, drank too much cider at this bar right here. Boy, cider really sneaks up on you. Check out that car. These are super rare and dangerous. They're building Cardiff Stadium exclusively for Gareth Bale, I imagine. After a couple of days in Cardiff decompression, acclimating to the Welsh ways, it was time to go inland and start the Welsh course. I took a bus to Lampeter and found my B&B. It was called Bryn Castell, the castle on the hill.